Welcome to another how-to tutorials video. Today we are going to be making the perfect cup of tea. So, let's get started. So, to make the perfect cup of tea, we are going to need one beautiful mug. You can have the additional chip in it if you want to, that's just an extra feature. But make sure you got a mug or a cup, whatever you call it, because if you don't, the only thing you're going to be making is a mess. Coming back a bit for second place, we are going to need the tea bag. Without this, you won't have any tea. Coming in at third place, we have the wonderful milk. Boom, throw in some sugar. And last but not least, we need the spoon. The spoon. Oh, there we bloody go, there's a spoon. Right, let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is get your tea bag and place it in the cup. Like so. Then what you're going to want to do is, if you have sugar, get your sugar. In this case I will have 2. Pause this video of course if I'm going too fast for you, or if you want to make notes, that is perfectly fine. Then what we are going to want to do is what's up Doc, is put some water in. In order to create hot water you need a hot water source. So if you are at work you might have a thing. If not, then a kettle will also do. But make sure to boil the kettle. Now, what you're going to want to do is fill the cup, like so. Stir the cup, like so. Well, I wouldn't say really stir the cup, stir the tea, should I say. Now what you're going to want to do is leave it to set. If you take it out straight away, take the tea bag out straight away, it's just going to go weak. So make sure to leave it in there after you gave it a good stir for, I'd say, about 60 seconds. Okay, so 60 seconds are up. Now what you're going to want to do is take out the tea bag. Once you have taken out your shriveled up ball bag or tea bag, whatever you call it, you're going to want to put your milk in. I had to pause that then while I just did that because that was going to go all over, but I have literally put a small little drop in just to make it nice and strong. Make sure to give it a swirl just so it mixes in the sugar and the milk and whatever, and voila! That is how you make a British cup of tea. Now, just before I go guys, make sure to comment below how you make your cup of tea. What tea bags do you prefer? Do you put the milk in before the hot water? What sugar do you put in? Just so I can try your way of making cup of teas. But that is my way. That is, to me, the British standard way. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah.